Hey guys, welcome. I'm trying to film. Can I please? Hey guys, today we are doing day one of my Halloween week vlog. We have a lot of stuff planned, so I hope that I don't forget to ever. Get out of my video! Get out! Stop! Okay guys, great job at the photo shoot if I say so myself. The pictures look amazing. I will drop some in here as soon as I get them. I'm hungry, me and my sugar skull alter ego. So we're gonna go through the drive-thru, but that's okay. Because they'll understand we're festive. They'll be like, oh yeah, this girl likes Halloween. But we're really just getting ice cream. So, yeah. See you at Dairy Queen.
Thank you for choosing Dairy Queen. You can go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Can I just get a small snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard, please?
Alright, any cheese curds or drinks needed for you tonight?
No, thank you.
It's gonna be $4.10.
Okay, thank you. $4.10. One, they raised the price on these things. But second, I have this coupon from when I first downloaded their app. I've probably used it over 40 times. So if you guys want that, you need to leave a comment and I'll send it to you. Because I'm not going to be stingy. I will share my coupon with you guys. Yeah. Let's have some ice cream.
It's going to be $4.10.
Thank you. Oh. Hey, it is day 2 of our Halloween week. Get spooky with me. And tonight we have the Fall Festival and the Taylor Bennett concert, which I am so excited for. If you guys don't know who that is, he's Chance the Rapper's brother. They're literally twins. If you saw him, you would know. And I'm sure I can take my camera in, but if not, we're gonna have some phone footage. But I will see you guys at the Fall Festival. No, baby, you just ain't got aim like me. I didn't see it. I got it on camera and I didn't see no bird get hit. You guys, let me turn this light on. That was so much fun. Today was such a good day. I'm in such a good mood. I am in the spirit. Let's just, oh my gosh. Okay, I love music. I love Halloween. It's a good week. Oh my gosh. And I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow when I'm checking with you guys, we are taking pictures of the puppies. They have their costumes, like matching jackets and stuff, which I'm not gonna spoil it. You can see tomorrow. And what else are we doing? Oh, we're going to the jack-o'-lantern, like, they call it the jack-o'-lantern spectacular. It's a bunch of artwork. It's art. They're not pumpkins, it's art. That is just the canvas. So you guys are gonna love that because it'll be my first time going and I'm already in a good mood. So I know I'm gonna love it. So I have to go to work now, so I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Good night. Secure the bag. Huh?
We're just gonna take to get there. Secure the box.
The box, babe. Show them your tacos. Ew. Looks like rabbit food.
It looks like fish food.
Fish don't eat shrimp.
Yeah, they do.
Whales eat shrimp.
A whale is a fish.
Well,
You're a whale.
boy. Say it again to the camera. No, not really. No, I'm gonna shut this over. Where are we going, babe? To get milky milkshakes. Thank you. It's all ice, I know. We got 2 sips. We each
I don't get ice. Ice is a ripoff.
I don't get ice either, but I forgot to tell her. Let me see your shirt. I don't like shirt.
It's at home.
Here you go. Does it taste good? Show 'em our tickets, babe. We're at the Pumpkin Spectacular. I left the camera in the car, so we gotta use the phone. But we're here. Hi. I just froze. I was like, why are we not allowed?
They got a heat thing,
They got what? A bar. There's
You post?
there's funnel cakes and everything and kettle corn. But you don't need any kettle corn, do you? Look what we started getting.
Smuggling fish sandwiches.
I'm dead. Okay, we're gonna go to the bathroom before we start, and then I'm gonna show them some of the pumpkins. Where does it say that? Where does it say that?
No recording devices.
$5 for a photo booth? I have a whole photographer as a husband. We're ready. Please, we most definitely need the class. Okay guys, that wraps it up for Halloween week. Get ready with me, going out, all the fun stuff. If you guys want to get ready with me on actual Halloween, see what costumes, what me and Mitchell are gonna be, let me know in the comments and I will get that to you all. Hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of the above. And do not forget to get to 50 subscribers. I have a giveaway going on. I cannot believe you guys haven't subbed yet. But I will see you guys Wednesday.